In this video, we'll learn how to customize the layout of Scripture on your canvas. To do so, let's select the Text Breaks tool from the main menu. In this tutorial, we'll add a text break to the words "and," the beginning of verse 9, and the word "so." To do so, simply click or tap on each word and select Break. The Text Breaks tool can also be used to add indentation. Let's add an indent to the words and "so" in the same way. You can also open the Text Breaks menu to adjust the number of spaces per indent. And finally, to remove an indent or line break, simply click or tap on the affected word and select No Break or Left Indent. And that's it. Now you're ready to adjust the layout of Scripture on your canvas for easier study and memorization. In the next video, we'll focus on adding text markup, like highlights and underlines, to the Scripture on your canvas.